I've never had blue hair before, so come with me to get my hair done. When I tell you I've always wanted to try color, but I was just scared of trying color. However, I've done color, which is that pink wig, but when I mean color, I mean actual color. Like a orange, a blue, a green, that type of color. But this install literally eats down, y'all. Look at this wig. Ooh! Ooh! Yes, tell me I'm not gonna eat it up. If you said I'm not, then you're lying. Anyways, but y'all, when I tell you this is this wig actually, and she just colored it for me because I was like, girl, let's do something different, you know what I'm saying? And I didn't want to bang anymore. However, this hair eats, this color eats. Okay. I love it. But yeah, y'all, make sure you guys shop with her all in collection. I love all her hair, all her wigs. I get them from her. And when I tell you these pictures at the end of this video about to eat, just wait till the end of this video. Bye, guys.